aerospace industry, where safety, precision, and compliance are non-negotiable, technical publications play a critical and often underestimated role. From maintenance manuals and operational procedures to flight documentation and engineering updates, these materials ensure that complex aerospace systems are operated, maintained, and understood with absolute accuracy. They bridge the gap between engineering and execution, translating cutting-edge designs into real-world action. In this video, we'll explore the vital role technical publications play in aerospace, how they're created and maintained, and why they're essential to safety, performance, and regulatory compliance in one of the world's most advanced industries. In the dynamic world of aerospace, where precision and safety are paramount, the importance of technical publications cannot be overstated. These documents play a pivotal role in ensuring the airworthiness, regulatory compliance, and overall efficiency of aircraft systems. Airworthiness assurance. Technical publications serve as the cornerstone for establishing and maintaining the airworthiness of aerospace systems. They meticulously document aircraft design specifications, performance characteristics, and operational limits. These publications are indispensable for aviation authorities, engineers, and manufacturers to validate and ensure that an aircraft meets stringent airworthiness standards. Regulatory compliance. The aerospace industry operates under a web of stringent regulations to guarantee the safety of air travel. Technical publications act as a compass, guiding industry professionals through the intricate landscape of regulatory requirements. These documents provide a comprehensive framework for compliance, covering everything from design and manufacturing standards to operational and maintenance procedures, ensuring compliance. In an industry where adherence to standards is non-negotiable, technical publications serve as a reference point for consistent practices. Whether it's a pilot referring to an aircraft operation manual or a maintenance technician consulting a repair manual, these documents establish a common language and set of procedures. This ensures that every professional involved in aerospace operations is on the same page, fostering a culture of safety and reliability. Here is an expanded list of some common manuals and catalogs used in the aerospace industry, along with brief descriptions of each. 1. Aircraft Maintenance Manual. AMM Comprehensive Manual providing detailed information on the maintenance, operation, and servicing of an entire aircraft. 2. Component Maintenance Manual. CMM Specialized Manual focusing on the maintenance, repair, and overhaul procedures for specific components or systems within an aircraft. 3. Illustrated Parts Catalog. IPC catalog with visual representations and detailed listings of parts and assemblies used in an aircraft, aiding in part identification and ordering. 4. Integrated Test Equipment Manual. Item manual providing instructions for the use, calibration, and maintenance of integrated test equipment used in aircraft maintenance. 5. Fault Isolation Manual. FIM manual guiding technicians in diagnosing and isolating faults or malfunctions in aircraft systems or components. 6. Structural Repair Manual. SRM manual detailing procedures for inspecting, repairing, and modifying structural components of an aircraft. 7. Service Bulletin. SB document issued by an aircraft manufacturer to communicate important information, updates, or modifications to operators and maintenance personnel. 8. Wiring Diagram Manual. WDM manual containing detailed wiring diagrams and schematics for the electrical systems of an aircraft. 9. Non-Destructive Testing Manual. NDTM manual providing guidelines and procedures for non-destructive testing methods used to inspect aircraft components without causing damage. 10. Engine Shop Manual. ESM manual focusing on the maintenance, repair, and overhaul of aircraft engines, providing detailed procedures for engine-related tasks. 11. Aircraft Operations Manual. AOM manual providing guidance to flight crews on aircraft operation, including procedures for normal and emergency situations. 12. Maintenance Planning Document. MPD document outlining the scheduled maintenance tasks and intervals for an aircraft, helping operators plan maintenance activities. 13. Maintenance Manual. MM, a generic term referring to manuals that provide maintenance procedures and instructions for various aircraft systems. 14. Emergency Procedures Manual. EPM manual detailing step-by-step procedures for handling emergency situations during flight or on the ground. These manuals and catalogs collectively form a comprehensive set of documents that guide aircraft operators, maintenance personnel, and other aviation professionals in ensuring the safety, airworthiness, and reliability of aerospace systems. Each serves a specific purpose in the life cycle of an aircraft, contributing to its proper operation and maintenance. Aerospace technical publications in aerospace are the unsung heroes that contribute to the industry's success. They provide the foundation for safe and efficient air travel by ensuring airworthiness, regulatory compliance, and a consistent approach to operations and maintenance. As we continue to push the boundaries of aviation, the role of these publications will only become more critical in shaping the future of aerospace. Technical publications may work behind the scenes, but their impact on the aerospace industry is front and center. They empower engineers, technicians, and pilots with the information they need to keep aircraft flying safely and efficiently. As technology evolves and aircraft systems grow more complex, the need for accurate, up-to-date, and digitally accessible documentation becomes even more crucial. So, whether you're in aerospace or just fascinated by the infrastructure that keeps the skies safe, technical publications are a pillar of this ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more insights into the unsung heroes of aerospace and aviation.